Hello everyone, class 9th. I am Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Class, today we will discuss on chapter number 1. The topic is given as diffusion. Diffusion. So what does it mean about the diffusion? And what is the importance? Where does it come? Where does it takes place? And all that in this particular lecture we will discuss over here. So first of all, diffusion is the process of spreading out on and mixing of the particles to one another. Spreading and mixing of substances with one another due to the motion of its particles. What are these? Diffusion is the process by which the particles get move out and mix with one another by the movement of the particles. This is called diffusion. The most common diffusion you can see in case of a perfume spray or incense sticks, or maybe the other odorful substances. If it is kept inside in a corner of a room, it will be spread out throughout the whole room as well. Now you can see another important form. Whenever anything is cooked into the kitchen, but its smell is move out throughout whole houses or to the complete house. Why? Because this is only due to the diffusion of particles. The particles of particular substance which move from here and there and get mixed, that means spread out and mix with one another by movement of their particles. Why? Because suppose if there is some materials like I said scent, perfume, ether and most of the other effervescent products which can kept inside to the corner of a room, their particles are, why? Because that is made up of a matter, so they can have the particles in which there is a moment. Why? Because it is the properties of the matter that their particles move from one place to another place. Why? Because there is a moment happen. Due to the moment, they will have to be moved and spread out here and there. So particular part which is kept inside at the corner of a room, it will has to be spread out throughout the whole room, and their smell you can observe or you can feel. It is what? It is a diffusion as well. Cooking of food which is spread out throughout whole complete house. So it is another way of the diffusion. The diffusion is a property of the matter. The diffusion is the property of the matter which is based on the motion or the movement of the particle from one place to another place or from one side to another side of the particular particles. Why the particles can move? Suppose if there is a lot of a number of particles, the amount of particles is more, so their particles get attract to each other as well. They can collide to each other as well. That means collisions may happen, and due to which their movement, the particles get collide to one another, collapses with one another and move from here and there. Why? Because in case of only the solid, the particles do not move very fast, but in case of a liquid, the particle move faster than that of the solid. And in case of a gases have their particles in a very high speed. That means they can move apart from one another in a larger extent. Why? Because this is due to only presence of the space between them, a lot of space present in between. So why the particles can move from here and there by the moment are due to the actions of the particles. So here is the way on which we have to study about how these particles takes place in the different medium. Suppose if there is a bromine gas, if it is filled up into the vessels, it has a color, and if there is another vessels, here is in if it is in the vessels, there is a gas, that is a bromine present, which shows, if it is the gas present which has the color, the bromine has a color. When there is another part are the vessels kept on it, what will be the happen then? If there is another vessels kept, so it can have air inside, but after a few moments there will be spreading of gases takes place. Spreading of these gases will take place. However, there is a free or vacant vessels. So the particles of the bromines move upside on their own. And why? Because it has to be reached up to the another vessels. It can be observed by very simple way, because there is the particles that can move from these vessels to another, that can only due to the moment of particles of bromine gas, that can be diffuses due to the moment in the bromines. The particles move up into the another vessels, and hence this can be said that is the diffusion. Due to the diffusion, these gases were seen into the vacant vessels, that is the free vessels in which there is only the air are present, but these gases vaporize or get mixed with, spread out and mixes with one another and move to another vessels as well. So it is confirmed that there is some process taking place. This process is what? This is the spreading and mixing out of the particles called as diffusion. So the student, as you know that in case of liquid like a bromine gas, when it diffuses its particle, so the vacant the other vessels which is kept on it, like this. So the other one which is kept on like this. Hence the particles of bromine gas bromine gas which is in a liquid form, that is moved, it is a red brown color, it is red brown in color, and these gases is spread throughout these from one vessels to another vessels by extract these particles. These particles run away are spread out into the another vessels which is kept over it, and hence the particles move, and that indicated about the diffusion takes place. It is the diffusion in case of a bromine. These particles, why? Because very tiny, so they can get strike to one another, or they may have their particles are get strike to one another and move quickly. So on that basis, these particles on its own moves to the another vessels, because the particles can move from here and there, and then because of these vacant vessel which is kept vertically over it, so the particles can move slowly from the one vessel to another vessel. This is how we can explain about that the diffusion takes place. Now the diffusion in other gases, like diffusion in gases, as I have earlier told you, in case of a sweet smell, bad smell or pleasant smells is coming out continuously in a room from a corner to the whole room, that means there is a diffusion process takes place. By the diffusion, suppose if there is an incense sticks are keep glowing, burn at a particular corner of a room, then the whole room, it is heat burn, then the fragrance or the smells move to the whole room. That indicated why? Because the particles which is moved from one place to another place, due to why? Due to the particles move and is spread out and intermix with the another particles, that is the air present in all around. So in the air, the smells are these incense stick are the perfume or anything that has the odor, so it has to be moved out to the whole room. Why? Because the fragrance move to the whole room. Because of that, the particular matter on which the particles get moved continuously from here and there. And in case of a gases, it moves very fast. Why? Because in a gaseous molecule, the particles are very far apart from one another, so they have a very large space to move out. And that regard, we can say, if there is a cooking in a kitchen or glowing some incense stick or using the deodorant or any perfume, scent, whatever it, etc., their particles get sprayed out and move mixed with the air particles, that is gases, and it will be, you can feel in all around you. In case of a kitchen, it would not be remain into the kitchen. Why? Because the particles move faster. It can be go through the whole or complete home. Because of that, you can see or you can observe or feel about that the odor or smells of a particular matter. Why? Because a matter have very small particles to them, they has to be moved from one another. So in the case of a gases, when there is a burning of any such type of a substances takes place, or spreading or mixing of the matter, that is either the perfume or incense stick, or might be the kitchens, the food material which is kept cooking, so that will has to be spread out to the whole room or to the whole house because of that fragrance, in the form of a fragrance. This fragrance is what actually the movement of a particles, the mixing of a particle from one material or from one place to another place. This is because the particles of gases produced by the burning of incense stick, and the particles from the scent, perfume, or whatever the material that has the odor, this has to be felt. Why we can say the diffusion in case of gases takes place in this way. Now the next one is diffusion in liquid. So you have seen in case of a bromine, I have earlier told you about in case of a bromine, as well as you can see in case of water, when some amount of, in case of a water, when kept some amount of potassium permanganate, kept into the water, slowly it gets mixed with the whole vessels. That means firstly it means to the that place, and next it has to be go through the whole vessels. So the color of potassium permanganate, will move from here and there. The potassium permanganate, the particles of a potassium permanganate slowly get mixed with on its own. Why? Because the particles that has moment, due to this moment the particles can move from here and there, from particular vessels, that is to the bottom of the level of the vessels, it has to be moved to the top of the level. This is all about the topic. We will continue to the next